It's perfect.
Still intact. Worth saving.
All right, it's finally mine. Got a good price too. Okay, boss, let's roll. All right, she's here. Good job, thanks for getting her here. My pleasure, sir. All right, let's get this beauty down and see what we're working with.
Great.
Perfect, it's time to get started. All right, let's see what's going on in here. Okay, old part out, new one goes in here. All right, seat's looking good. Next, the dash. Nice. Now for the new steering wheel. All right, here it is, the final reveal. Look at this shine, this is premium. Nothing but the best for this beautiful machine. Looks good, huh? Yeah, awesome job.